How to create a realistic cracked skin. Import your images and place them the way you want it to appear. Once done, reduce the opacity of the cracked texture so you can place it better. Then select the areas that you don't need and delete them. Warp the cracked texture to fit it into the face properly, and then increase the opacity. Change the blending mode to multiply. Create a levels adjustment layer and clip it into the cracked texture. Adjust till the texture blends with the skin. If it feels like it has loose details, you brush this back in with the brush tool and layer mask. Then create a layer mask on the cracked texture layer and remove the areas you don't want or need to make it neat and realistic. Create a solid color and choose the skin color brown, and change the blending mode to color. Adjust the opacity of the solid color layer, and that's all.